Good evening, sir, and thank you for joining us today at the Outlook Business Spotlight Achievers Award. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for winning the award for Best Luxury Residential Project of the Year. That means a lot. First thing I would like you to do is introduce yourself and tell us about the work that you're doing.
Yeah, my name is Bharat Bhushan Bhatia. I'm the Chief Sales Officer for Conchna Group, and it's our privilege to get this award from such prestigious Outlook. I think it's an honor to us that you guys selected us for this award.
So it's a pleasure too. So the next question I would like to ask you is, in your view, what sets you apart as a leader in the industry?
See, when it comes to real estate and when it comes to luxury, luxury means so many things, right? Luxury starts from the kind of construction.
Yeah.
Luxury starts from who's doing it. Luxury starts from timely delivery.
Yes.
Luxury starts from how it was sold.
Right.
Whether it was up to the expectation when it was a delivery. So luxury has a lot of meaning. And I think so far in the journey of real estate, we've been able to fulfill all our commitments which we have given to our customers. And that's the reason we could come here and get this award.
That was quite insightful, sir. So where do you see the future of your industry in the next 5 to 10 years, and how have you positioned your organization to be successful even in that landscape?
See, as you know that everyone in India, irrespective of whatever level they are, whatever income groups they are, the most important thing for them is to own their own home.
Right.
Roti kapda aur makan, right? So, I don't know whether next 5 years or 10 years or 50 years or 100 years, home is a requirement for everyone in this country, right? And as far as the next 5 years is concerned, I think we are in NCR today. And NCR, there's too much of organic demand. A lot of immigrants are coming from different states. They settle themselves first and then look for the house.
Right.
So starting from the affordable housing to the luxury housing, I think demand is everywhere the same.
Definitely. Right. So what keeps you motivated when you're faced with obstacles, and how do you inspire your team to stay focused and resilient throughout that time?
See, I would say obstacles are always, good for a business, irrespective of it is as a leader or an individual or somebody working in your team. Because once you get into any challenge, right, then only you prove yourself.
You
then
come
only
out
you
a
do
stronger
something,
person, yeah.
Different, innovative. And I would say it is always good to have challenges in life. So me as a leader, I would say that it is always there that I welcome all the challenges and obstacles. If they come my way, I'm sure I'll be better, and so as my team.
That's very high spirit, sir. Thank you so much once again for being here, and I would wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
Same here. Thank you. So